You will not believe the amount of things I fit in this bag. It was magical. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a cool video because a few weeks ago, a company called Magictodoor reached out to me to see if I'd be interested in testing out their cosmetic travel bag. This actually came at perfect timing because I just got back from a 2.5-week vacation where I was able to test it out and see what I liked and didn't like about the bag. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it quick and easy, and giving all of my knowledge to you. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. All right guys, let's get into it. So one thing that you need to know about me is that I'm terrible at packing, like stuff and shove. I am very disorganized and it overwhelms me. Like whenever I'm going on a trip, I'm like not excited about the trip until I'm on the plane or in the car, like going to the destination. Like the whole process of packing and packing lists is like my least favorite part of going on vacation. So before trying out this bag, I would use just kind of this bag. I think I got it at Nordstrom's Rack, and it's nice because it holds a ton of stuff, but it's kind of like this, just throw it in there and there's no really like kind of organization to it. Let's get into the Magictodoor bag so I can kind of show you what I'm talking about and the differences. The first thing that I really like about it is its shape. So it's nice and rectangular, and I was actually surprised at the amount of stuff that I was able to fit in there. But what's cool is that it lays flat. So I always pack my bathroom kit last. I think most people do, because you're usually using your toothbrush, or maybe not, before getting on the plane. So usually this is like the last thing that I pack. So it was nice because it just like fit on top. This guy has 3 main zipper pouches. There's one here, and one here, with the second one here being able to expand to make it a little bit bigger, which we all know I needed the expansion. And then this pouch right here, it actually unzips as well, if I can find the zipper. And this can actually hook on. And you have quite a bit of storage and organization opportunities inside of there as well, which is really great. This is not just a YouTube video for you, it's also a packing list for me for my next vacation that I go on. I'll just watch this video back and be like, oh yeah, I gotta pack that. So this is how I kind of organized it. On this pouch, I put all of the things that I needed to use every single day. So this, I carried my toothbrush. I'm like, oh, it's magnetic. That stuck to that. I carried my toothbrush. I'm like such a sucker for the Sonicare toothbrush. I can't travel without it. Like my teeth feel it. They're like, what are you doing, Shannon? And then toothpaste, and then I also carried some floss, as well as my hair bobby pins and hair ties as well. Oop, and they went flying. So this was kind of like my easy access. What I liked about this kit, I have to tell you, is that every day when I would use it, it's nice because it cleaned up and kept everything organized. So I would do like my everyday like hair and brushing my teeth, and then I could just zip it up and move on to the next step. So it wasn't like things were like all over the counter like it was crazy. And then on this side, I carried all of my skincare. When I travel with skincare, first of all, a magic mitt or like a makeup eraser is key for me as far as like getting mascara off. This is amazing, and you don't have to worry about like ruining anyone's towels if you're staying at a friend's house or anything like that. And then I also carry, I just kind of keep samples that I receive kind of throughout the year, and I usually take them with me when I'm on travel vacation, especially like the hydrating ones. So I'll just throw a few packets of those in here. As well as a face mask that's really nice and hydrating. I have a cleanser. I mean, you can really, like, these are deep. You can fit a lot of stuff in it. Just as a side note, this hydration spray, it's from Josh Rosebrook Hydrating Accelerator. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. Like, I took it, I had to buy it for a project that I was working on. The client requested it, and then I used it on her the whole shoot, and I fell madly in love with it and got one for myself as well. Love it, it's super good. So in the next compartment over, that is the expander. You can see it just expands by using this. I used for shower stuff, and I had like this size, this is a 6 ounce of conditioner, because you know I need my conditioner. And then I had a soap thing in here. I put some shampoo and some hair product as well, and they all fit pretty nicely. Oh, I also had my razor in there too, that's why it was so full. You can see it's quite a bit of space in there, and then you can zip it shut to make it a little bit smaller. And it's super easy to adjust. And it's still pretty spacious, but it does add quite a bit with the extender, which is really nice. So in this main compartment, I held my makeup, and this actually worked out perfectly because I didn't wear makeup every single day, and I could just kind of leave it hung up and then reach it when I needed to, and then kind of access these 3 compartments every single day when I took a shower or brushed my teeth or did my skincare. So in this top little compartment, I kept my complexion products. This is really nice. It's a good size. I carried just a cream foundation, some powder, concealer, and a mineral foundation as well. What I really like is how much you can fit in here. So this is a full-size bottle of the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. This is probably, let's see, probably like 3 inches, 2.5 inches. And it fits perfectly in here with space. And then I also had some makeup wipes as well. And then as far as makeup goes, I actually brought a lot of different drugstore products to try out for you guys so I could get back to you and kind of tell you what I liked and didn't like. And I'll be doing a drugstore tutorial super soon, so stay tuned for that. And in here, I brought some palettes. These are the Makeup Revolution palettes. These are perfect because I was able to kind of create any makeup look that I wanted to with these. This is a blush palette, and this is an eyeshadow palette. And then in here, there are 2 kind of mesh pockets right here. And so in one of those, I held my brushes, and then in the other one, I held my pencils. So my eyeliners, my brow pencils, anything like that. And that was nice and convenient too. And then in front, there's a little pouch here. That's where I kept my lip products. So some lip liners, lipsticks, this by Agave lip mask, which I'm obsessed with. The one thing I will warn you, when I took it on travel, I had packed it so full that it did kind of start to wear on the inside. Not enough to completely break anything, and this is basically my fault for packing it so tight, but you can see that it kind of wore a little bit right up at the top here, but I think that's honestly just because I shoved so much stuff in it. Because other than that, it feels pretty secure on like the outer parts of it, but on the inner linings, I would say if you're like an extreme stuff and shover like myself, just kind of be aware that if you shove too much stuff in it, it could rip. But other than that, I really actually enjoyed the bag. It's cool because it can hang up from here, or it can hang up from the top department as well. And I did leave it hung with all of my stuff in it for a few days, so that probably didn't help with that inner lining too. But yeah, I mean, go Amazon, go Magictodoor. I'm kind of digging it. Alrighty guys, that is it for me for this week. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed these kind of quick Amazon reviews, and if you like to see what I carry when I travel. As always, more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.